It's true that destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No Ababa say, no Ababa say. I tried it. Hey Yesu, I tried it. Hey Yeza, I tried it. Transforming Ghana, dear. Hey NDC, for better shaman swag.
My name is Ernest Henry Nogu, hail from Ziavijogo, to be precise, a village near Ho in the Volta region. I am 36 years of age, happily married with a family. I attended my elementary school at Ziavijogo and also proceeded to do my secondary education at Chito Awudome, Awusco, to be precise. I pursued my education at International School of Aviation, where I successfully graduated with diploma in cargo handling and clearing and forwarding. Again, I proceeded to Takoradi Polytechnic, where I came out successfully with HND in purchasing and supply. I pursued my first degree at the University of Professional Studies, where I also came out with business administration. Again, I went to Coventry University in the United Kingdom, where I successfully graduated with Masters in Supply Chain Management. And currently, I am pursuing another master's degree in law at the Nottingham University in the United Kingdom with a major in public procurement and policy. I'm a chartered member of the Institute of Supply Chain Management Ghana and also a member of the Institute of Purchasing and Supply in the United Kingdom. An NDC member throughout my life. I've been a teen youth organizer when I was at Takoradi Polytechnic, and then I also contested the Namili Ward coordinatorship where I won. Again, I'm a branch chairman at Namili, that is a suburb of Ashaiman, and I was one of the 3 people who was selected to attend a course, a 6-month course at Frederick Ebert Foundation on behalf of the party. And currently, I'm the parliamentary candidate for the party in Ashaiman constituency. All through my life, I've been a giver, and just recently, during our primaries, I campaigned on the team leadership of care and concern, and that has been part and parcel of me. I want to see people happy. I want to see people have that kind of confidence in you. I have to see people always making sure that they are okay, and that has been part and parcel of me. That is why I campaign on the team leadership of care and concern. So I'm into this game just to bring that kind of leadership onto the people of Ashaiman, teach them how to fish but not to give them fish, make sure that the youth get job to do, make sure our women get something to do, make sure all the social interventions that the people of Ashaiman need come to them. I also want to believe that whatever the people of Ashaiman need is what I have to provide for them, and I have the capacity and capability to make sure that the people of Ashaiman or my people also get that particular needs. My brothers and sisters, I am going into this election with high hopes of positivity. The time has come for Ashaiman to move to another level. My target for this election is 85,000 votes. 85,000 votes is achievable. Honorable Alfred Kwame Agyasi has done tremendously well for the people of Ashaiman and has done well for this constituency. And it is time for Ernest Nogbe to also improve upon where Honorable Alfred Kwame Agyasi left off. Again, as I said, the 85,000 vote is achievable based on the tremendous and unprecedented project that President John Dramani Mahama has brought to Ashaiman. So we are talking of the new SHS, we are talking of the health center, we are talking of the good roads, we are talking of the cheap compounds, we are talking of the Safisana project, we are talking of the new complex library that the president is building for Ashasek. We are talking of a host of projects that President Mahama has brought to Ashaiman. That is why I have the conviction that the 85,000 vote we are talking about, or I'm talking about, is even understated. We are going to get more than the 85,000 vote for NDC, for that matter, JMN and SNOGU. My brothers and sisters, the time has come for new Ashaiman. The time has come for Ashaiman to move to another level. The time has come for us to rebrand Ashaiman. You matter, I matter, everybody matters. I choose JM, you must choose JM, and you must choose EN. And this year, a zoo. And this year, a Zach. No Ababase. No Ababase. Forward ever, backwards never. No retreat, no surrender. Still in the B.
Wicked and I never. One day things will get better. They got me found in Ghana, America and Jamaica. I they count my paper, I don't make credit for haters. Hey, yeah, you want me on it. You know say me love you on